Hi guys, Ralph here. Right, we're going to start a new rebuild series, and this time we're going to be doing the Adman Model 3000 Grandstand TV game. Now I got this off of eBay a few weeks ago, completely untested, so I'm going to have a see if this works to start with. But as you can see, it's mint in packaging. But, yeah, a little bit worse, but at least it is in a box. The ones I've seen in there that aren't complete and absolutely knackered. So, okay, we'll take this out. Original instructions. This was in 19. Let's have a look. Nope, nope, nope. No date at all on this. I think it was either the very early 80s or late 70s. Surprised there's not a thing on there. But, okay. The AC. AC 9-volt adapter. I might not have got a plug for this, because everything's DC nowadays. And I was watching the back office show having a AC adapter. I might have to get some batteries for this, but you know, we'll see what we can do with this. To be honest, let's get rid of the box. This was a it preceded the Atari 2600. I remember it was my first games console. As you can, games is a relative term, to be honest, with this thing, but it basically is an expansion of Pong. Not much, but you could play football, which may have 2 bats on one side and 2 on the other. Tennis was basically Pong. Squash, I think, you know, there was 2 bats here, and then there was a court in front, and you used to hit the bat against it with 2 players. And then practice was you just, without making it sound rude, you just banging your ball against a wall. Okay, maybe a better choice of words of that. But yeah, this was a time when colour video TV game. I think the colours on this, if I remember it, it was black and surprisingly white. Although these are showing green. If this is a green, then this isn't the one I had when I was younger. Yeah, again with the I had a problem with this yesterday with another console. There's a positive on the outside and negative on the inner, so I will have to take the transformer to pieces, I think, strip and just swap cables round. It gives me a negative DC, but I mean, dual power system. Well, yeah, because it's battery, isn't it? It's an AC. Okay. Let's have a look into this, and we can see what we can make of this. But this is the new project. Hooray! And somehow I wish I'd bought one with a transformer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take it to pieces first. See if I can get anything out of this. If it's broken, possibly live, there's a little bit of battery leakage in there. Oh yes, you can see that, but yay. 40-year-old battery acid. Oh, made in Korea. I wonder if it's the combined Korea. No, I don't. Actually, to be honest, if that's 9-volt DC and it's an AC adapter, maybe I can do it like I did with the Merlin, just put 9 volts through this, because there's 6 batteries, it's 9 volts. Maybe I'll do that anyway. Right, controls come out, like paddles for the old Atari. Fire button. Really shouldn't have put battery acid all over the button then. Auto save off. I think that, I don't know. The angle, remember the bat side was the bats will be that big or that big, it just means different level of difficult. But right, Serve and reset. I wonder why they've got a serve and reset when they're both player 1, player 2. Oh well, we're going to find out more about this in a little while. Back in a second. Right, back we go. Right, I've got the little bit better cables on this. I'm going to try and do a 9-volt DC across the batteries. So I know the 9-volt AC I don't think I'm going to be able to do at all. Right, let's get that out for just checking the right bloody thing where. Right, that's 9 volts that way around. 9.2 actually. Right, so brown is positive, blue ain't. Now I've got the TV aerial here rigged up to the TV, which is over there on the test bed. At the moment I can't tune into anything because this uses a standard old-fashioned, what do you call it? Yeah, your TV connection. Lucky I did that, because that's the positive. Yeah. Blue's positive. Yeah, old-fashioned tuning in TV type gubbins. That ain't kind of work for a while now around here. But at least the TV can connect to that and tune in. So let's try and get at least on something. That'll do. Bearing wires. Used to bare wires when I was a kid. My teeth. Now that should be switched on. So, forgive me for being I really need another mount over there. But let's see if I can tune this thing in. I'll get back to you. It is switched on at least anyway, but there's no lights. I don't think LEDs were much of a good idea back then. Doesn't smell like anything, so I'm going to pause in a minute and I'll try and tune this thing in. Right, TV is currently trying to tune. I've no idea whereabouts on the frequencies it actually is. I've got it through the standard coax cable on here down to the PlayStation splitter, so it should, the antenna PAL 1 should go into it. That's obviously on this side will be where the PS1 or the PS, well, both PlayStations, isn't it? Yeah, go through. So hopefully, I mean the manual tune bits, frequencies. It used no. Oh, that was promising. Used to have channel presets in the UK, 21 to 69, I think it was. Usually stuff like this was slap bang in the middle. Come on, give me something so I don't have to strip this thing down. If not, here comes a strip down video. Really should dub over some elevator music for this. Dum 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 dum. 520 megahertz. Hang on. Da, 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 da. Well, while you're watching this paint dry, fun fact about today: it's the hottest day of the year in the UK. Official. Granted, it's been raining or snowing every single day since the New Year's. It's actually the hottest day. I saw 23, maybe 24 degrees on the car when I come home from work earlier. Hence, a delicious drink. And yes, there was ice in that. And yes, there is vodka. Thank you, it is. There's a different angle. Oh, it's quite good, isn't it? Maybe I could... Ooh. Maybe I could use that as the angle. Could get both in at once. Or maybe... I don't know. Talk amongst yourselves. I could angle the TV around. Right, that's not worked, obviously. Now let's get the TV remote and channel up. No, that's not worked. Okay, bigger problem than I was aiming for, but not to worry. That's what I'm here for. Get that back on, right? Right, okay. I'll try one more thing and I'll get back to you. Here's a jump cut. Right, back again. Retuned with a different method. Basically avoided the PlayStation splitter. Doesn't seem to have wanted to have worked, so we need to rethink this a little bit. And I could be destroying this thing with it being switched on. So what I'm going to do is I think it's about time for a strip down. So get out, power off, and let's try again. Right, end of part 1. Please like and subscribe. This is my 10th video now, and if anybody's watching, if you could possibly donate on Patreon, the links are somewhere below, and I don't know, if not like, subscribe, just basically tell me exactly what content you'd like. If you think this is absolute bilge, if you think this is actually going somewhere, then please tell me. If not, then don't like and subscribe. Yeah, okay, so thanks for this bad boy apart. Thank you for watching.